our life. Means today's time is now. This time I have a teachers, means professor, AD sir, who are the guider of my life. Means I am the student of them. Then he always give me a guidance to doing a study, and automatically I complete it with my consistency, with my hard work, and definitely it will be a great benefit in my future. This type of things which will be give me a success in my life. So what can you say, Shreya?
Yes, you are right, because the meaning of consistency, we can say that if we are doing any our means good work constantly, so it is called consistency, because whenever you take any task in your life and when you are doing hard work for that, then the first duty is to do that work very continuously and in regular manner. If, many students one thing do, which is that they did study at one day that 5 hours, and second day there is nothing. So that is not correct. If we have to achieve something, so for that we have to do study on a regular basis. Means this is the example of consistency, we can say, and many students are unable to maintain it, and that is not good for their career, because if you have to do your career in sports field or any other education field, so that's it. Firstly you have to do practice of that, means continuously till you get success. Each and every day is important, each and every day has a value, so we should notice that thing, and we should try to understand the value of each and every day. And by our guidance of teachers, students, many successful students can also motivate us very goodly, because from their experience we can learn many more things. And if such a type of motivation is present in us, so there is nothing that we are unable to do. We can achieve anything if we have such a type of qualities present in us, and if these are not present, so that is very harmful for our life.
So that's a very good question about the consistency, because as a student we have to be very consistent about our studies, about our whatever we are doing. Because we are take an example of 11th student, they have to be studying very hard, because that phase is a very changes phase in that time. So when they are in the 11th standard, they have to be very consistent about study. When they practice that syllabus, if they didn't cover that syllabus in 2 years, so that's it. If they and they have to appear in the JEE or NEET exam, so that's time they got stuck that I didn't do a syllabus complete, and now what I do. So that's time the consistent work, because if you are not consistent about your work, and if you are not dedicated about your studies, so that's when you didn't get a successful that whatever you want in your life. So along consistent, your dedication and your patience also is important. Having the studies, having a living life. So confidence plus dedication plus patience, that lead to the successful, I think. So that's all about the consistent. If you are doing something work day by day and every day, you will get a knowledge, and by that knowledge, you will definitely lead to your successful to not only for us but also our social being, our family members. So that's just like the consistency. So what you can say about the consistency?
So I want to explain my thoughts that from the beginning of the journey, from the failure to the success, from the beginning to the end, the success, that the big thing is that the consistency. If you won't, if you won't take a consistency, if you won't keep a consistency throughout the process, so I don't feel that you won't reach the whatever you have aim, whatever you have for your life. So I feel the consistency is the one of the best thing. It is the leading thing of our life. It is the leading thing of our future that we have to lead from the beginning to the end. I feel that. So having a consistency, we must have to be focused. We must have to be determined. We must have to be perseverance of that whatever you are doing. And mostly that interest matters here. If you don't have interest, so rather doing anything, you won't capable to stick to one thing. You won't capable to keep that maintain that consistency. I feel if you will maintain that consistency with your interest, so it will be very beneficial for you to leading from the failure to the success. It's my opinion about the consistency. So what would you like to say?
Yes, I am totally appreciate you. And by making up one's mind, so then a consistency can create a great possibility. Means if you will do anyone work, anyone thing very consistently, so it means in a future you can get your goal, your anything. Means if you are a competitive student, so if you are doing a study of that, so if you will study with consistently, so definitely then one day will come that you will get a success in your life. So what's your comment on this?
Okay, so according to me, from the childhood we can't understand the importance of the consistency. But I think that after 10th and after that, it must be too important to big role in your life about the in the consistency. So according to me, if you are in the 10th class, 9th class, so lots of children can't understand the importance of the consistency. But when if the approach is the big after 10th, after 12th, definitely everyone should be important understand the importance of the consistency. And I think that for make a bright life, it's most important and a big role in our personal life. So according to me, if everyone have the consistency, so I think that at any rate the success ratio will be definitely reopen in your life and reset in your life, because in the now the competitive era, in any examination, JEE as well as the NEET, UPSC also. So in that time your consistency main matter, because the failure definitely came. Because due to lots of competition, everyone have it's necessary. But whenever your mindset should be good, reset because so definitely one day you will be success by the help of the consistency. Not only the consistency, your confidence and everything is very important for that, sir.
Yes,